I have my eyebrows on, and I also prime my lids, and I'm ready to get up into this good gig. All right, so we are going to first of all try this. What is this? Pure some. It's a BB cream. We're gonna try this out, honey. Got the little thing. Okay, I'm a little worried about this color, but like I said, I did get a little sun. But looking at this color and looking at some of my other colors, I don't know, friend. We're gonna see. Okay, let's see. Let's see the little give, honey. Okay. Okay. Tie my little hair back, and now we're gonna try for real. So don't be mad at me because I got my mirror right here. Look, you could see me and I got to see me. Okay, so let's see. So, oh, look at me. Look, this is how I put my stuff on too, y'all. I know. Y'all judging. I don't care. You know, the children watching, but. Anyway, I'm gonna wet my beauty sponge because that's what I do. I don't really like a lot of coverage on, even though it looks like I put a lot on. That's because I had a big face. But, and then I just take my blender and then I blot it in. Now the color, it looked a little funny. You see there? But let's see how it looks once it's all the way blended in. Because on the camera, it looks a little different than it does over here, honey. It looks a little funny. But let me get this done. Hold up. Because see, my thing is I'm trying to figure out how it is that I know that they ask questions sometimes about complexion. And that's why it's like, I don't know if y'all got me right. I'm a little bit more yellow, and I feel like, I don't know. Let me see. It just looks so weird to me a little bit in this mirror, looking at myself. But let me continue to blend it in and see. So I done patted my life away, okay? I done patted my soul. I done patted my life hair. I feel like I've got this in as good as I'm going to be able to get it. Leave a comment down below telling me how you think this looks on my skin. Let me know how you feel like it looks. Make sure you got that 4K quality on, okay, honey, so you can get up into this skin. Into it, okay? Look. Okay. So, okay. I think that I'm done with this blotting, honey, okay? I will say this. Like, I don't have a problem necessarily with things that kind of like give you that luminous finish. But like sometimes I feel like it might be a little too much. And in a little bit of a way, I feel like it's a little shiny. I like a little bit more matte. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't even oily. So I feel like it makes me look gray. Guess it's me. Like here. Like, when I'm looking at myself in the mirror, like, I can see a difference in my skin. But, like, I don't know. Y'all let me know. I swear. Let me know down in the comments how you feel like this looks on my skin. It's not drying. I can tell you that. I don't feel dry. I'm not all caked. I feel like the coverage is medium. I don't feel like this is full coverage, which I'm sure that it's not meant to be. It says natural looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish. So, I don't know. Y'all let me know. Like, I think that it just, maybe it's just because I'm not used to it because I feel like I already got pretty enough skin, honey. But no, like, I don't know. I'm giving it time to set. I don't know. I think I might like this. I don't know yet. Let's see how it works. Anyways, moving on because I spent too long on this one thing. So, we are going to go in with this, what is this palette called? The Tarteist Pro palette, which is this here. I don't even know what to do with this. Like, I get what they were going for here, but like, you know, it's just, there's nothing bright here, you know, not a yellow or something. So let's see what we can do. I don't know. I think I'm gonna start with this color here. It's called, me and these in these mirrors trying to hold them in videos. It's just not my gig. It's called Edgy right here. So I'm gonna go in with this color and see how this, I feel like it's too dark. It's too dark. I'm so slow. Okay, so we're not gonna go in with Edgy first. We're not. Look at my brush. Okay, well, they're pigmented. It definitely came on off that brush, honey. It was definitely on the brush. Okay. Okay, so let's try this over again. We're gonna go in with this color Innocent up here first. Oh my God. Do you see that? Nevertheless, let's see. Let's give it a good old test. So I'm going to blot this in like this is going to be my base color here. Ooh, honey, it's real dusty, honey. Okay, it's real dusty. Okay, and then we're just going to put that on the lid. Look, I don't even have to really dab into it, all the dust that done fluffed up off it. Okay, but it's a really nice base color. So I'm gonna say this. I do not like when I'm doing my makeup and my makeup brushes, the little hairs come off. That is so frustrating. But besides that, the color is on, and I honestly can say that I like the way that it lays, because I do like me a nice little hurry up brown, honey, for like a all over lid, and I really like the way that this turned out. It is a little dusty in this pan, honey, ain't gonna lie, but the color definitely is pigmented. It shows on my eyes, and I like the way that it performed. It's not patchy, so I will give you that, honey. Okay, but I am gonna go in with this good. Anyways, I'm gonna go back in with this color Edgy here, and I'm gonna darken up my corners some, and I'm just gonna stamp that into the side here like this, and then I'm gonna bring it up into my crease and just above my lid, and then I'm gonna blend that out some. Oh honey, I will say this, baby, y'all got the pigments. Okay, I like this little palette. This little palette show me something, honey. Show me something. I am not lying. This brown is brown. Do you see it look like somebody punched me in my eye? Okay, I see you with your brown. Dusty brown, man. Okay, honey. You better come through with the little brown. Okay, so that brown definitely went on down. It went down, and it's got a crown, honey. Okay, we're gonna put a little crown on the brown. Yes, it definitely showed up. It definitely has a lot of pigment. I know I'm looking a little crazy right now, but we'll clean all that up later. But I like that. I like it. I like it like that. Okay, anyway. But yes, so okay. Ew. The little bitchy tart is trying to play games with me. They trying to say, girl, you had prejudged prematurely. You didn't know what you were talking about. Okay. I really like this little blue right here in the corner. It's called Trendy, honey. Trendy. Now my little fingers are clean. Ain't got nothing on them. But I'm just going to use my finger to see how this looks. They gave me a little bit of color and it was blue. But that was all that they gave me, honey. Okay, so let me see. The little Trendy. Ooh, that's cute. And then let me see. I'm just going to pop this on the lid, girl. On the picture lid. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. You see? Oh, that's cute. Okay. So we got the other color on, y'all, and I really like the little blue. Like, I like the blue. I like the brown. I'm not mad at them right now. Things is looking up for them. Ain't gonna lie. It's looking up a little bit. Y'all see this? Look, like I ain't getting enough sleep. Y'all come save me. Because I really don't want to take away from this blue. Like, goodness, not at all. So I'm going to stop right here. We're just gonna leave this alone as it is because I really like where I'm going with this, and I don't want to lose track of that because sometimes it happens and then you be putting something else on, you be like, I do. So let's move on to the next thing. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna clean my eyes up right quick, and I'm gonna apply some liner, and then we'll be right back with that mascara and lips. Okay, we're back. And the face is done. You see how I cleaned that up? Now, I'm going to say this. I'm going to say this, and I'm going to say this to y'all one time. I don't know what's wrong with my right to my left. Y'all see the difference. Fatter, skinnier. This going to be the one time y'all get to talk about me right now. So get it out. Because after this, y'all ain't going to talk about me. Period. Period. Point blank, period. That's it. You see? And then you see over here. I'm working on my wings. So all my wing entrepreneurs or my wing experts, shall I say, go ahead and help your girl out with the little wings. So I'm going to use this Lily Lashes mascara, which I'm super excited to try, honey, with the little, you hear it? Little ASMR, look. Ooh. Okay, so, and it says it coats every lash. Let's see if it coats the lashes, honey. Let's see. Individually. So I know it's probably random how I do mine, but I curl from the top first. Because I like my lashes coated. And then I wiggle them up like this. Now it says extra, extra. Read all about it now, honey. Extra this, extra that. Okay, let's see. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but that's one coat on there. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry down a little bit. Do the other side right quick. Okay, so. I mean, they definitely are spread, so I will give them that. They're spread out. I would use this as a base for like a more volumizing. I can't speak, and that's really been frustrating me. Volumizing, but I would use this as like my first. I usually don't use the same mascara. I use these two mascaras, so I would definitely use this as one. It definitely gave a lift, and it definitely separated them a lot, but it's not my favorite mascara, considering I have so much because I'm a mascara whore. So that's why I was excited about that. But on to the next. So we have Rosewood Lip Pencil from Bodyography. And then a pouty. So I'm going to go in with the pouty color, which is more of a neutral. And I swear, if y'all talk about me while I'm doing this, I'm never going to put lip liner in again. Okay? All right, I'm happy that we're both in agreement. So I'm gonna warm mine up because I don't know how this. Oh, it's creamy. Okay, so let's go in with the little color. I am nervous, y'all. I do not do this. It's creamy. It's definitely creamy. It's not like, cause I done tried some stuff and been like, we trying to rip off my lip. So you know I was the kid that didn't draw on the lines. You know I was the kid that didn't draw in the lines. This has got to be the best job that I've ever done. And I think it's because I'm nervous about y'all judging me. I'm already finna get judged for my wings. So I was nervous and I actually did a pretty good job. I'm not mad at myself. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I know that this color is a little light or going hard, but we gonna make it do what it do. I will say this Bodyography, I definitely like this. It's really nice. It's super, super creamy. And that is the pouty color. And then, shoot, maybe I should have used this color. And then this is Rosewood. Let me see. Oh, no, that's more like purpley. So, okay. I'm going to put on a lip right quick. And then we're going to finish up with this BoxyCharm Bix. So I was 100% like not gonna keep the BoxyLuxe. I was on my way out the door. I was like, I can't take it no more. I was tired of looking at all the premium stuff come in and it being so much nicer in the boxes. But I'm gonna tell you that y'all showed up and y'all showed out for June for the box. Like, I really liked everything. I did get a color that was a little too dark, but if I can switch this, I can't complain about this. This is really, really beautiful. Medium coverage. It's not drying, it's not cracking. Like, I can't, you know, like my pores aren't like screaming at people. I really like this, and I love BB and CC creams because I'm not one that wears a very heavy foundation. So this is definitely something that was in the box that was a wiener for me. Tarte, this makeup palette, oh my gosh, you guys really, like, I liked the colors that I used. I have not used all of them. I have not swatched all of them. I don't know how all of them perform, but for the colors that I used, I was very surprised by how they worked. And I will say, oh my goodness, I take back what I said in the beginning about Tarte. Now, it is a little dusty, honey, okay? I just tapped a little and it was like poof. But other than that, I like the way that the colors perform. Not everybody has a problem with, you know, fallout, and I'm not saying I do, but that was a lot. It was a little excessive. It was a little extra. So yeah, these lip pencils are extremely smooth and I like the colors. I will definitely be using these again. As someone who does not use lip pencils, these were creamy. I like the colors. These are actually colors that I will use, especially the pout one, because I usually use a lot of pinks and nudes on my lip. So I definitely can say that that was worth it as well. The Lily Lash, it's okay. You know, I mean, of all the mascaras in the world, it's okay, but there are better ones. So is this something that I would buy again or rush to the store to get? Probably not. But is it not a winner? No. It might be something for somebody who likes just a little bit more extraness in their natural look, but not for somebody who's looking for something that'll give them like what I like in my mascaras. So that's what I have to say about that. But overall, I can honestly say that I really did like this BoxyCharm. I look forward to using the Kylie Skin as well as the night mask and that little jade little thing. I'm excited for this box. This box was surprising to me, honestly. It was that surprising. I had to hiccup.